Praise be Jesus Christ. I recently acquired a Latin Mass Missal printed in 1944 by the Benzinger brothers. This Missal was used for Latin Masses, and it was placed at the altar. It is entirely in Latin and goes back to the Middle Ages with the texts that it is using. The problem with this, though, is that some of the pieces are destroyed, such as the little tabs for the canonical digits for the priest to turn the pages while saying Mass. I also found that there are a lot of pages that were cut out. If you look closely, there's a giant section missing that has to be replaced. The pages are about 232 to page 309. I ended up going online and finding an exact copy of this Missal typed into a PDF. I found the pages that I was missing, and I formatted it so that I could print them out and then put them into the book in the spot that they were missing. When I first printed it, they did not fit, so I had to cut them. I then had to measure out some places to drill holes so that I could bind them with string in order to put them back into the book and keep them together. It was now time to put the binded pages into the book. Now that the pages are in, I wanted to find a way to recreate the tabs that were missing. I could have went with leather, but I ended up finding a red fabric, and I cut out sections to fold over, and then I used a special tape used for hemming to tape them into the pages so that priests can use the canonical digits while saying Mass and flipping the pages of the canon, starting with the Te Igitur. I eventually went to fix up the ribbons, like I did with this other Missal, where I took small ribbons and then added them to the binding, and then fringed the top of it with a flame to keep it from fraying. But that's for another time. I was very happy with the final result, and I am now going to demonstrate what it would look like if the priest was trying to use the canon during Mass. Watching this video, and I hope you enjoy the restoration work on this Missal, and I'd like to do more future videos like this. May God reward you.